Right now, Missouri is the latest state to pass a bill severely limiting a woman's right to get an abortion. Now, the state's Republican-led Senate passed a bill banning abortions at 8 weeks. It came just hours after Alabama's Governor Kay Ivey signed a near total abortion ban into law. Under that law, doctors who perform the procedure could face up to 99 years in prison. The debate about abortion taking center stage right here in Atlanta today. CBS 46's Ayanna Crystal is live at the state capitol, where a Democratic presidential candidate weighed in on the debate today.
Senator Gillibrand told us that she is ready to fight President Trump on this issue. She made it very clear that she wants every woman to have the right to choose an abortion if she wants. Now, also talking about this will affect black women, minority women, and low-income women. Now, Georgia lawmakers also spoke about in rural Georgia, more than 50% of women don't have access to OBGYNs, which is a problem that needs to be addressed, not telling a woman what she should do with her own body.
It's gross. It's absolutely gross. It is backwards. It is not where we should be in 2019.
Women are outraged with Georgia's heartbeat bill that was signed by Governor Brian Kemp last week that would make abortions after 6 weeks illegal. Tamara Stevens couldn't imagine being rushed to make that very personal decision.
I was 17 years old. It was a result of a sexual assault. And I was very fortunate to have had that choice.
With states criminalizing abortions, women speaking out say it takes away women's reproductive rights and freedom.
It makes me extremely frustrated. I have a daughter that is 22, and the idea that someone is trying to strip away her reproductive rights and freedom.
Today, presidential hopeful Senator Kirsten Gillibrand held a roundtable with lawmakers and healthcare providers to discuss national implications of making abortions illegal.
It's clear that the laws passed here in Georgia and in states across the country represent the greatest threat to reproductive freedom we have seen since Roe v. Wade.
Abortions are still legal here in Georgia. This new law will not go into effect until January 2020. Planned Parenthood says they have been inundated with calls from women who are scared.
And both states have about a 6-month window before the law goes into effect, so you can expect legal filings later this summer. But at the same time, we're working really hard to make sure that our patients across the South know that our doors and other clinic doors are still open and that abortion is safe and legal and available to them.
When you make abortion illegal, it doesn't stop abortion. It just stops safe abortions. That is why we must come together to declare that reproductive rights are human rights. They are civil rights, and they are non-negotiable.
Planned Parenthood, ACLU, and others do plan on filing lawsuits, and they have 6 months to do so. Then it will be up to a Supreme Court judge on whether this law goes into effect. But as of right now, abortions are still legal across the country. That's the latest at the Capitol. Ayanna Crystal, CBS 46 News.